we're preventing the destruction of salmon habitat and wildlife habitat by creating barriers, natural barriers. Everyone has noticed there's way more geese around, but they didn't realize the impacts they're doing to our estuaries and to ecologically important sites on the coast here.
There are a lot of geese in the estuary, and the problem with that is they start eating the sedge grasses that now take away from the habitat for the salmon and the other wildlife. That's where we will step in and start the process of protecting the grass and restoring it.
They love Carex sedge, and when they grub and pull the tubers out, it's like a rebar that holds the sediments together, and there can be a lot of erosion. And once you lose that really productive organic marsh platform, you lose the substrates you need to grow plants and to grow productive estuaries. So our students and our Guardians staff are here working with Peninsula Streams, Sea Change, Pacific Salmon Foundation, who's provided a lot of support for us since 2010 for some of our exclosure work on the estuary. We got Canadian Wildlife Service, who manages the National Wildlife Area, working with us today. I think there's 50, 60 people there. We hand cut and hand weave and install ecocultural fences that look like old fish weirs. Been fish weirs all over the estuaries for hundreds of years, and there's still stakes in like Comox Estuary, and even in this Little Qualicum Estuary there's stakes. It's kind of simulating that. And this is going to allow Chinook and coho and other salmon species to be able to thrive in estuaries longer, so that they're bigger and they can migrate out into the ocean and survive. When the tides come up, they're swimming around in the Carex and feeding on bugs and, you know, using the cover so that they don't get predated by birds and stuff. So we just notice more activity, and we've noticed more wildlife too.
Within the first few years, a lot more of the birds started using the estuary. They really like our fence posts.
But it also has benefits that are noticeable almost in year one. The area that we're trying to protect, where there is some habitat, it comes back quickly. And so there's a lot of pride for the nations and for us to see that we're making a difference.
Seeing the work in the estuary, it makes me feel really good knowing that we're doing a little bit of good to just make things a little better.